Welcome back to our channel, where we explore different languages and learn new words. In today's video, we will discover how to say Sunday in Korean. So, if you're ready, let's get started. In Korea, Sunday is called ilyoil. Here's a breakdown of the pronunciation. This is pronounced like the English word deal, but without the e sound at the beginning. It's a short sound, similar to the dil in pill. This is pronounced like the English word yo, as in yo-yo or yoga. It's a short and crisp sound. This is the same sound as before, pronounced like the dil in pill. So, when you put it all together, you say ilyoil to refer to Sunday in Korea. Goodbye for now. Like, share and subscribe.